Abby. I'm a U.S. mom and educator. Today, I will be unboxing the Strawbees STEAM School Kit and Robotics Inventions for the Microbit bundle. This bundle is perfect for you if your goal is to get as many kids as possible building, inventing, coding, and hands-on physical computing. It's perfect and a strategic choice for school-wide STEAM programs, maker spaces, robotics and coding clubs, and after-school programs. So let's get started. So I want to point out on the back of the box that this kit is for grades 1 and above for 25 plus students at a time. Check out the learning platform at learning.strawbees.com for activities, lesson plans, and ideas which feature sustainable development goals. There's also a QR code to get you there. Note that the bag has also the piece count, a card deck of creative challenges, a storage box with sections, and 2 classroom posters which you can hang up in your space. Let's take a look at what's inside this box. First of all, it comes all neatly packaged and organized, which is a huge time saver for teachers. There are over 1,000 blue one-leg connectors in this bag, over 500 two-leg connectors in this one, over 500 three-leg connectors, and 256 red 5-leg connectors. It also comes with a pocket full of ideas with 105 cards. So let's take a look inside this box. We have 2 decks of cards. The blue deck is the inventor cards for some entry-level challenges. And then the yellow deck is the crazy inventor for those kids who are wanting more of a challenge. Now I can just quickly slide this tray back in and take a look at the straws. One thing I noticed right away is that in the new STEAM School Kit, the straws are pre-cut and color-coded by length, which is a huge time saver as a teacher. Now my kids and I can jump into building and then quickly and easily clean up when we're finished. Let's take a look at the second part of the bundle, the Robotics Inventions for the Microbit. It's for grades 4 through 9 and 10 to 30 students at a time. With these components and the Microbit, which is sold separately, kids can make movable, imaginative inventions. So let's get started unboxing. The first thing I noticed is there's a QR code and website to get you started with the Robotics Inventions for the Microbit. Then check it out. It's so neatly organized into 10 sections. And each section is one set containing 3 different bags. Let's see what's in the bags. Let's open up the first bag. It contains 1 Strawbees Microbit clip and 1 Strawbees Robotics board for the Microbit. Slide in your Microbit version 1 or 2 and put in 3 AAA batteries. You can turn on the Microbit now or clip on the Strawbees Microbit clip and then add it to your Strawbees design. Now the second bag. It contains 1 servo motor, 2 servo motor mounts, and 3 servo motor arms, as well as 3 screws. Attach the servo motor mounts to the servo motor and choose 1 motor arm. Next, you can attach it to your Strawbees design. Let's check out the third bag. It contains 1 servo extension cable and 1 mini screwdriver. You may need the extension cable if your design requires a longer space or longer reach. Finally, plug in the cable to the Strawbees Robotics board for the Microbit. You are ready to begin playing with code. Here's an example of one of the many creative and exciting designs you can build and code with Strawbees with your students. This is a drawbridge designed to raise at the sound of a loud noise like a clap. What will you and your students build with the Strawbees STEAM School Kit and Robotics Inventions for Microbit bundle?